Hey all, this little bird, I don't know if he's focused or not. It's bright out here, so I'm checking it out. But we have named him Sherwin, as in Sherwin Williams. You'll notice that when he turns around, he's got a completely white butt. He did have white legs and white tail feathers and on the back, but he has plucked all his tail feathers out and he has now just got the white butt and some white on his feathers, but we believe he sat in paint. We don't know where, we don't know when, but he can't fly. He won't let us catch him. So Sherwin is just kind of hanging around our backyard for as long as he wants until he can fly again. We don't
just live here until he gets feathers.
Yeah, until he grows his feathers back, he'll just live here. We'll make sure that Sammy the Sharpshin doesn't get him. But yeah, he tries to fly, but he can't. He can run pretty darn fast. But that's Sherwin. He's gonna be our bird for a little while. We'll keep an eye on him.
He's eating good, though.
Yeah, he's eating really good. He's getting worms, and Tim puts seed out every day for all the birds, so we think he's a, what kind of bird? Starling. A starling.
Fledgling starling.
A fledgling starling who sat in white paint. So, yeah, not sure what else to do for him. He's not hurting.
He's too fast to catch.
Yeah, Tim says he's too fast to catch. And he's already been through enough trauma. I don't want to traumatize him anymore. But he's just wandering around. Hopefully this is okay in focus. I can't see it. It's just so bright out here. But right now you're staring at a tree because you decided to hide back there.
Hi, Sherwin.
Whoops, what'd I do there? I don't know.
Well, you know your name.
There he is. Yeah, poor little guy. We won't let him suffer.
I feel sorry for that poor bird.
Yeah, we do. We feel sorry for him. But he's happy. He was here all day yesterday.
Day before. He's been here, this is the third day.
Okay, this is the third day, Tim says. So whoa, see, he's quick. He finds refuge under a truck that we've got in the side yard, and some of the bush piles that we've got back there for the quail. So as long as we keep Sammy away from him, whoa, he'll do just fine. Hopefully that pain will wear off soon. And looks like he's getting ready. Yep, he's gone. He went to the side of the house where the truck is, so we'll just keep an update on him, an eye on him. All right, see ya.